Hello everyone, this is my presentation, English for Accounting. My name is Tiga Arman Julian Chan and let's start it. Number 1, a balance sheet. The balance sheet is also known as the statement of financial statement and it reflects the accounting equation. The balance sheet report a company asset, liabilities, and owners or stockholders' equity at specific point in time. Like the accounting equation, it shows that a company total amount of asset equal the total amount of liabilities plus owners or stockholders' equity. Three components of the balance sheet. Number 1, asset. Assets are the result that a business uses to operation its business such as cash, inventory, land, building, and equipment. Essentially, assets are any item of value owned or controlled by the business that contributes toward generation revenue. Assets are categorized as each current or current asset. Number 2, liabilities. Liabilities are the financial obligation or debt of the business and include claims that creditor have the business research, such as account payable, bank overdraft, provision for employees, annual leave, and long service leave, tax liabilities, and loan payable. Essentially, liabilities are amount owed by the business to internal parties. Liabilities are categorized as each current or non-current liabilities. Number 3, owner's equity. Owner's equity is the residual interest in the asset of a business after liabilities are deducted. It is the net worth of business and equal the difference between asset liabilities. Equity represents the amount belong to the owner once all financial obligations have been met. Financial statement and ratio. Financial statements are the report that provide the details of the entity financial information including assets, liabilities, equities, income and expense, stockholders, contributes, cash flow, and other related information during the period of time. In general, there are five types of financial statements that prepared by an entity in monthly, quarterly, annually, or the period required by management. Choose 5 types of financial statement including statement of comprehensive income, statement of financial position, statement of change in equity, statement of cash flow, note to financial statement. Statement of financial statement. The general purpose of the financial position is to provide information about the result of operation and cash flow of the organization. This information is used by the reader of financial statement to make decisions regarding the allocation of research. Number 2, statement of comprehensive income. The primary purpose of an income statement is to provide information on how a company is reaching its revenue and the cost incurred in doing so. The income statement is very thorough in highlighting these details. Not only does explain the cost of goods sold, which relate to the operation activity, but it also include other related costs such as tax. Number 3, state of change in equity. Statement that explain the change in company share capital, accumulated reserve, and retained earnings. Over the reporting period, it breaks down change in the owner interesting in the organization and in the application or reported profit or surplus from owner accounting period to the next. Number 4, statement of financial cash flow. The purpose of the cash flow statement or statement of cash flow or CCF is to identify the major cash flow occurring period the same period in time as the company income statement and between the related balance sheet. Number 5. Note to financial statement. The note or footnote disclosure and required by the full disclosure principle because the amount and line describes to outface the financial statement are not sufficient information. In fact, there may be some large potential losses that cannot be expressed as a specific amount, but they are critical information for leaders, investors, and others. Number 3, taxation and the tax system. Tax are involuntary fees levied in individual or corporation and effort by a government entity, whether local, region, or national. In order to financial government activities, incomes to tax fall on, however, pay the border of the tax, whether this is entity paying tax such as business or the end consumer of the business good. Class of tax. Number 1, direct tax. Direct tax are primarily tax or natural personal, and there are principal based on the taxpayer ability to pay as measured by income, consumption, or net wealth. Income in individual income tax are commonly levied on total personal net income the taxpayer, which may be an individual, a couple, or family. Increase of some stipulated minimum. They are also commonly adjusted to take into account the circumstances influence our liability to pay, such as family status, number, and age of children, and financial burdens result from leanness. Number 2, indirect tax. Indirect tax are levied on product or consumption of goods and services or transportation, including import and export. Example include general and select sales tax, sales at tax, VAT tax, and any except of manufacturing or product tax on legal transaction and consumer or import visit. Income to tax presented in individual earning filed to the federal government. Corporate tax a present of corporate profit tax as by the government to fund further programs. Sales tax levied to certain goods and service. Property tax based on the value of land and property asset. Tariff tax on imported goods imposed in the aim of strengthening internal business. Estate tax rate applied to the fair market value of property in personal estate at the time of death. Tax system vary widely among national, and it is important for individuals and corporations to carefully study a new local tax law before earning income or doing business there. Tax have several functions, including number 1, budget function. The tax function is a source of the state revenue that has the aim balance state expenditure with state income. Number 2, setting function. Tax is a tool to implement or regulate state policy in the social and economic field. The counter function include tax can be used to cope to inflation rate. Tax can be used as a tool or in no export activities such as tax, export of goods. Tax can provide protect or protection for dominical product goods. For example, value-added tax (VAT). Number 3, equalization function. Tax can be used to adjust and balance the distribution of income with happiness and welfare of society. Number 4, stabilization function. Tax can be used to stabilize economic conditions and conditions such as overcome inflation. The government set high tax so the money supply and reduce. Meanwhile, to overcome economic stuckness of deflation, the government law tax show that the amount of money in circulation can be increased and deflation could be overcome. Good and Service Tax (GST). Good and Service Tax (GST), also known as value-added tax or VAT, is the amount of tax imposed on public goods and services or servicing in Indonesia. The term GST is better known as value-added tax (VAT), which changes 10%. The goods and service tax (GST) is a value-added tax levying of the most goods and services sold for domestic consumption. The GST is paid the consumer, but it is limited to the government by the business selling the goods and services. Okay, thanks for watching and see you next time.